Hello YouTubers, I'm back with another lockpicking video. I got some cheap, 1 3/4 steel padlock. It's like $4. I saw it at the store, I figured I'd buy it and see, and I probably, yeah. I think I'll pick it with my, let's use my half diamond again. I like that pick. Okay, so I'm gonna take that, get in there. No, okay. Guess my half diamond's not gonna do anything for it. I'll use my snake. Okay. Easy lock to pick. I'll do that one more time. It's not that tough. Snake pick here. And just alright, it doesn't want to be picked again. Alright, freaking. Okay, so that's picked. Wasn't that tough? I guess the second time was not really. Oh, it wasn't really tough. It's an easy lock to pick. It's fun. There you go. One more time. Just that tough. See you in my next video. Peace.